Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR. In today's video, I would like to show you this price reversal setup that RNDR token formed a few days back, and we will also watch this big breakout from this down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal of RNDR that I shared a few days back on 14th of January 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that RNDR token formed, I think, on the daily time frame chart. By the way, this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair, and within few moments when this chart will be loaded, then you will be able to watch this chart. And this is the chart, and you can see this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And when I shared this idea, that you can see it was completing the final leg of this Gartley pattern. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And from this buying zone that was starting from 252 and goes to 0.0000240 Bitcoins, we can buy it here and we can sell it within this sell range. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this leg, and then we had a very nice pump, and then we had some price correction, and then we had another pump. That was, by the way, more than 33% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley setup. Even at that time, the price line was completing the final leg of this Gartley pattern with US dollar pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And here we have this chart, and after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this leg here. Then we had another very nice pump that was, by the way, more than 40% pump, and after hitting the sell target zone, it again slightly move more down. Now let me take you to this very big breakout on this weekly time frame chart. You can see the price line of RNDR was entered the channel here back in the month of November 2021, and even after several attempts, it was not able to break out the resistance of this down channel. Here for a while it broke out, but that was a fake out in the month of March 2022, and then we had extreme sell-off and a long spike up to this support of 27.4 cents. Now you can see we have broken out the resistance. By the way, we broke out in the month of October 2022, but got rejected by this next key resistance of 85 cents. And now we are moving towards that resistance once again. Now, if we take a look at this smaller time frame chart, then here we have the formation of a symmetrical triangle on the hourly time frame chart. And at this time, this move can be really very significant, because you can see, let me show you the target first of all. For example, if we will break out break down this triangle, then to the downside, the target can be 61 cents, and to the upside, it is showing us the projection up to 83 cents. And in that situation, we can reach very close to this resistance of 85 cents as well. And after breaking out this triangle, there will be a very high probability that we may also try to break this resistance of 85 cents. And the final target for this breakout from this down channel is here. That is approximately at $6.50 to $7. That is the top of the channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.